Hey there, welcome to the ChatHQ portal. Thank you so much for signing up, and I wanted to give you a brief overview of the screen you're currently seeing, which is the home screen, and you're on the Accounts tab at the moment. So the Accounts tab gives you a bird's eye view of all the accounts that you're currently either an owner of or a member within. So as you can see, I have quite a few accounts on my screen. I can see the role of those accounts. I can see the users within those accounts, and I can take actions such as view account, which navigates me to that specific account, or account settings, which takes me into the settings area of that specific account. Now on the side here, we have a drop down. Now this drop down, if I click it, it's going to show me a bunch of different accounts that I can navigate to. So I can either use this account table to navigate, or I can use this drop down. And then I'm going to have some other things here like our partners page, our resources page, the affiliates page. We have ideas, roadmaps, and announcements, as well as some other buttons up here. So let's go through these one by one. The partners page is a web page that we built that gives you a look into the different partners that we're promoting as official ChatHQ strategic partners. So we have high level, we have Extendly for high level, prompt builder. Actually, this link doesn't work. If you're watching this video, I actually have to replace this. And then we have outsource school here. So we are adding to these daily and weekly. We are building strategic partnerships with companies that we feel like can bring you value as a marketing agency or as a business. And we're going to add them here. So if you jump into this partners page, you'll be able to kind of see, what products and services that these companies offer and how they can help you directly. Now, jumping over to the resources page, we have sales, marketing, and customer success resources. So you're going to see a link here for a shared Google Drive folder. And then you're going to scroll down and see a bunch of little links. I mean, these essentially, if you go into this Google Drive folder, all of these exist in that Google Drive folder. But if you wanted to just click into these, you can actually just go to the individual Google Doc that these live in. Okay, so we have like sales templates, paid ads, social media sales funnel outline, and widget setup. And so all these are white label. At the moment, the widget setup is not white labeled. That if you're watching this video at the time of recording, this needs to be white labeled, and then you'll be able to give your customers a white labeled step-by-step guide to setting up their own engagement widgets. And then here at the bottom, this is not an affiliate link or anything like that. We just tell people, hey, if you want to build resources like these, we built them with ChatGPT 4, and then what we did, just so you're aware, is these resources are all resources that we use internally. So if I did not add email templates to our specific campaigns or paid ads to our specific ad campaigns, I didn't put them here. So these are all things that I've used for ChatHQ, like in practice. So they're not just random templates, right? And I built everything with ChatGPT 4. I go in, I edit them, and then I post them for ChatHQ, and then I share them with you guys. So let's go into affiliates next. All right, so the affiliates page is where you're going to sign up for your affiliate account. Now, we do give 40% recurring commission on all new sales. So it's a very lucrative affiliate campaign or affiliate membership. Now, the screen you're looking at here, I'm already logged in, but if I were to log out, you're going to see like a create page, right? See, I already have an account, so it's telling me just to log in. But essentially what it's going to do is say, hey, you're new, create your affiliate account, and then you'll be able to sign up at, be able to promote ChatHQ as an affiliate. So we really hope that you take advantage of that. We think it's a very lucrative affiliate membership offer, and we'd love to have you as a ChatHQ affiliate. So next, we're going to talk about the ideas, roadmaps, and announcements. So if you click on this, you're going to see a slide out here. So this is our ideas page, or like our ideas board. And here you're going to see a ton of ideas. Some are old, some are new, some are popular, some are not. You can filter these, and you can even click here to add your own idea. So when you add your own idea, we ask that you be as descriptive as possible, add images. You could add a Loom video here with your own personal thoughts, add some topics, and then submit that idea. Okay. So that's the ideas board. If I click out of this and then I click the roadmap, now you're going to see a very basic view of ChatHQ's public roadmap. And these are all ideas on the ideas board. So what we try to do is on a weekly basis, we try to update this ideas board as much as possible. I'm sorry, the roadmap. We try to update the ideas board and then add those ideas to the roadmap as often as possible. So some ideas or some projects that we're currently in the process of building may not be here, and that's our fault. But you can get a pretty good idea of what we're doing and what we're building just by looking at this roadmap. Now, if we make a new announcement, you're actually going to see a little bubble here, like a little number in a red circle on the announcements button, and you'll probably get some sort of pop-up. Okay, you'll get like a banner or a pop-up or something like that showing you the announcement. But if you click this button here, you're actually going to be able to see all the recent announcements, and they're kind of like blog posts in a way that we post to you. So we want to share with you all the different things that we're currently doing in the portal, or things that we've updated, or partnerships that we've promoted, or webinars, anything like that. And that's going to be in the announcements area. So next, we're going to talk about the profile settings. So if I click on my face up here, we're going to see my account, we're going to see preferences, and sign out. So if I click on preferences, I'm going to get the ability to change the language of the portal from English to Spanish. We'll add more languages, as we move forward. I'll be able to change the theme from light to dark. I personally like the dark theme. And I will be able to go into the security settings to connect my social profiles. So when we connect our social profiles, we're doing it for login purposes. So we do have email and password login, but we also use what's called OAuth login, which is like connecting social accounts. So if you want like a one-click login, you can connect your Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts. And you can actually connect more than one to any specific account so that you never accidentally create a new account or log into the wrong account. So if I have Andrew at ChatHQ.io and I want to make sure that I connect Facebook and LinkedIn and Microsoft all to this one account, then I just go here, I click connect, and I connect that specific account. And then anytime I use Facebook to log in, I'm still going to log in under Andrew at ChatHQ.io. So that's pretty cool. Last thing I want to show you before we move into some specific sections in the portal is the breadcrumbs. So these are really important when you start to go deeper into the sections and you have a lot of pages that you've navigated throughout, because you can go back to whatever page you want without just pressing the back button. So if I want to go back to preferences, sure, I can click the back button. But if I want to go back to home, I can just click home and it brings up accounts. Okay. So, you'll see the breadcrumbs actually grow, and there's going to be some dots here. Because if you're like 4 or 5 pages deep and you need to get back to a certain page, you could just use that. So that's the overview of the home screen. And we went through all the different tabs, all the different options here. In the next videos, we're going to go over some of the main product sections in the portal, such as the engagement widget and the account settings. So I'll see you guys there. I hope you guys learned a lot. Thanks for watching.